Hello everyone, how are you? This is Rajama. Today we're gonna talk about the 12 ways how to make money online, the ways which are genuine and real ones. So let's move on to today's topic. Being a student in London or anywhere else in the top cities nowadays. Also being an unpaid intern in the worldwide cities can be a struggle. This is why we have researched the best 12 ways and legal ways, you can say the genuine ways to make money online. So in this list, the number one way which is genuine to make money online is surveys online. By serving, a very popular way for students to make money online is to fill out surveys. The best part of the job is that you can do it in your own spare time. There are lots of research companies are always recruiting new people to answer surveys and test new products. The best ones in this list companies are Toluna, My Survey, Global Test Market, and many others. Look around for a few minutes of your life. You can make a couple of euros, which is paid as cash or rewards of your struggle, or you can say reward of your hard work. So number two way is start your own website. Starting a website is easy, but making money out of it isn't exactly easy. However, it is possible. You could build it on any pre-built platform like WordPress or Wix and then start attracting readers. There are tons of ways to monetize a blog or a website. Once you have grown an audience, you can start selling sponsored posts for 200 euros or more. You can also look into affiliate marketing where you partner with businesses to sell more of their products or services. Amazon offers a good affiliate marketing program, but there are several others to check. Additionally, you can display Google AdSense, which once it's installed creates a passive income for your site for a couple of months and maybe for a couple of years. So number third way which is genuine in this list is write and publish a Kindle ebook. So nowadays anyone can publish an ebook and potentially make money. If you are a student, it's likely you are good at researching and writing. Why not put your skills up for sale? Pick a topic and write a book. On Amazon Kindle, you can sell your book and still earn 70% of the sale. Remember, you can't just write anything. You have to think about sharing value with your potential readers, so it doesn't necessarily be the next Harry Potter. It could simply be something you have already researched, put into a nice format, and then make it stand out in the shop. The best part of this opinion is that once you have done the initial job, it becomes a totally passive income for months or even for the years. So this is our today's topic in which we have talked about the three main ways to make money online, but there are 12 ways to make money online which we have researched and figured out. So for other 9 ways you have to stay with us and wait for the next video in which we will discuss about the number 4 way to make money online and 5th and 6th as well. So this series will be start and stay tuned for the next video. Take care. Bye.